What's going on, beautiful people? It's your boy Lando Success. So if you've been on crypto.com or Coinbase in the last day or so, you've been seeing Rarible has been like one of the top trending tokens, up 90% in the last day. We're going to do a deep dive into it because I never looked at this coin a day in my life, but it's top trending. So let's see if it holds any valuable or merit. So you see up it changed, so it's going down a little bit, 72% in the last 24 hours. So first I want to see how long had this coin been in existence. Since 2020, so basically 2 years right now. And you look at the growth, the height was right about here, and you seen 43, we just gonna say it hit $40. And it's crazy because it went up, down, up, down, up, down. This is not a bad chart at all. To be honest, I give it a B because it showed going up, showed going down. It showed a low struggle, and it's back. It's been flatlined for a little bit, but still not even flat because it's been having activity. So this tells me it's a lot of trading volume without even having to look at it because a lot of activity been going on. The market cap 61 million. The 24-hour volume is at 17 million. So that's good. Coin circulation at 13 million. So that's why we got such a high price. So let's go to the website and see what it's about. Rari Foundation get incentives for listing, buying, and locking. So you get Rari for trading NFTs from collection you choose. So you can lock it and earn probably a staking reward. Let's see. So if you do locking period, let's see if we did 2 years at the max, and we did. I guess since I don't have none, I want to know what's the percentage we gonna get V Raris. So we have to see exactly how that go. Why lock? You get voting power, which we don't really care about. 0% seller fees. Rari Prime badge. So it don't seem special to me. Upcoming week leaders. I like things being very simplistic, and this is far from it because I'm kind of confused. Like, okay, are we buying NFTs? Are we trading them? What exactly is going on here? And what do I need to do on my side to be able to make money? It say create marketplace, place a bid for any NFT, the status, the highest price, highest bid. So they're going for about, look like $2,000-$3,000 per NFT. And I don't know since NFT market's been going down. Me personally, I wouldn't be too much into it, but it looks like a lot of people has been buying into it. So overall, this is something I wouldn't invest my money in because I'm not educated enough. I own a few NFTs. I don't necessarily own a lot, but this don't turn me on enough to want to jump in there. Look like there's something you'll put your money into, it would go down and not go back up for years, but the competition is too high. So let's see, price prediction. By looking at this, you have a potential to go 10x. You can 10x your money with the potential. And you got to think, it's up 81% in the last day. So a day ago, you was able to damn near double your money if you was already invested with it. I would have did this, doubled my money right here once it hit $5, and I would have sold. So I will probably look at this as a quick flip opportunity, probably something when it's down, add money into it, and when it's shoot up like this, sell and have like a buy and sell order. So let me know what's your thoughts about it. If you guys are buying, if you're not buying, selling, whatever it is, hit that subscribe button. If you're not subscribed, go ahead, hit that button. I'm Lando Says, talk to you guys soon. Real quick, I did forget to check out their Twitter, and their community is strong as hell. They joined 3 years ago, and they almost got 500,000 followers. So this is a game changer, seeing how much support they have. Let's see. I want to see how much people are actually commenting. Real people. Just shipped the expiration date listing. 3 people. Okay, 13. Okay, so they got a lot of followers, but they don't have that much activity. You see it's only 10 comments. So that's not good when you got a 500,000 followers. So that means you don't have no real activity popping and all the comments was them. So yeah. Alright, yeah, so they're not doing too much, but I guess they did post a lot of times in one day. They're very active. Let me know y'all thoughts about that. Here we go. So they got one Cardano NFTs, yes or no. So they know how to get people talking. I guess it's just a lot of posts they do every single day. So I like it. Good stuff.